What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And we're just gonna do a little nail cam, y'all. So this was inspired by Sailor Moon. If you're into like anime, you know, Sailor Moon, that was very big back in the day. Had a little cat and stuff like that, and different little stickers. So that's a little nail cam, you know. And without further ado, in today's video, I'm kind of looking a little rough. But y'all, I need to do my eyebrows. You know, the little eyebrows that I do have. So I wanted to do a step-by-step tutorial. So in this video, you're going to need a spoolie. I'm kind of going to be looking at different angles, you know, during this video. So work with me. A razor. You can get these from Amazon in a pack. I want to say, how many came in here? 51 pieces. And I'm going to say this was like $10. Or you can get it from your local beauty supply store. Usually like $2 for $1 or $1 for $1. Little manicure scissors. Me personally, I'm old school. So I know sometimes people do it with their, you know, their eyes dry. I'm either using lotion or gel. Yeah, I got this big thing of gel, y'all. You can get that from the beauty supply store. And also like some tissue or paper towel to wipe off the residue. So first, I like to trim my eyebrows. I'm just going to get a little close to y'all. So you just, you know, y'all excuse this little bump. My face did not want me to be great today. And you just want to trim it. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna try and trim my hair now. Y'all excuse me. Oh my gosh. So you see like the pieces of hair that's sticking up? You want to trim it. And see, I'm very hairy, so I have to like, you know, trim that part. You just want to trim it. So you see, without me even doing any type of cutting, you can see that it makes a big difference. So that's that side. And I'll go over this end part right here, because the tail part, that's where my hair grows the most. Alright. Then once you do that, oh, that hair line. So just spoolie it. Just put your eyebrows downward. And you see how they just look a little different. You can tell a little difference. This is always, you know, my thin eyebrows, so I just try to make it work. That's why I draw them on. So. Now you're wondering, when does the gel come in? So basically, I take my gel. I just dip the, you know, the back of my razor in the gel. And you just, you know, don't get it all over your forehead like I am. And also put some like in the middle, because I do, if I don't cut my eyebrows, I get a unibrow. So, you know. So basically, you know, they're to slick the eyebrows down so they can kind of like stay in one place while you're cutting them. And then I usually go down the middle first. Let's see. I know it's nasty, but I'm just showing you guys there is stuff in the middle. So let me take this one first. So you see how like this part, you just trim. There's no rush, because I'm telling you, if you rush on your eyebrows, you're going to be looking crazy. You're going to have to wait for them to grow. Me personally, mine's grow slow, so I try to take my time, because when falls move, they're gone. Unless you know how to draw them on good, you don't want that to happen. So you just trim them, and you know, oops, I cut the bump. Excuse that, y'all, but you just go over them. Don't do too much. And you might want to just pull your, you see I'm pulling this up some, because you want to make sure you're getting all the hair. And then underneath, you just want to take it and just slightly go over the outline. And be gentle, because these razors, they're sharp. You may nick yourself, which is fine. Just when you're done, put a little rubbing alcohol on there and you'll live. You'll be fine. So when you're done, you know, just wipe it off and you see if there's anything you need to touch up. And I like to go back afterwards, just a little touch up. And there you go. You don't have to take off too much, too little. It just, you know, depends on what you're going for. And then you do the same for this one. Now remember, they're not supposed to look like twins. And like if the gel starts to dry, just put a little more on there. And there you go. So you do the same here. And every time you use your razor, you want to make sure you take tissue and just, you know, get the hair off of there. And another thing, when it comes to razors, treat these like the razors you use on your body. You don't want to reuse them because you will break out. I'm guilty of putting these in my medicine cabinet, using them more than once, but I had to get out that bad habit. That's why I bought them in bulk, because you do not want to break out. So yes, these are definitely disposable. Don't be like me, don't reuse them. So not twins, but related. And then just take the tissue, get the gel off your face. And y'all can hear bare face, my face all ashy. And then just take your spoolie again if you feel like it's not where it's supposed to be. Remember, you're just doing a little touch up, a little cleanup. We're not trying to, well, you can have them look like you done got them threaded and all that wax and good stuff, but if you just want a good old touch up, Because me, I still put on, you know, eyebrow pencil. So it's just to basically touch it up. And that's it. Just to, you know, touch them up. Nothing major. You know, if you want to get extensive on and add a little chalk line and make them all sharp, you really don't have to use a razor. You can just use concealer. Just a little hack. But yeah, so that's just something, you know, just to give them a little tame. Because as y'all can see, they was looking crazy. So just a little something, you know, nothing major. So yeah, guys, if you have any tips or tricks on how you arch your eyebrows, let me know. I'll see you on the next video.